So actions are important for asynchronous code, and in general, it is a good practice to use actions. Now, I did mention that we have this context object, which we get as an argument automatically, and that it's full of interesting things. Thus far, we're only using the commit method though. So what's inside of context as well? Well, we can simply console log context to have a look into it. So now I log it in increase. So if I run add 10, here is the log. And we see we got this commit method, which we already saw, but we see a couple of other interesting things. Let's ignore root getters and root state for now, but let's have a look at dispatch. You can also dispatch another action from inside an action. This can be helpful if you're sending an HTTP request, and if it succeeds, you want to trigger a success action. If you get an error, you want to trigger an error handling action. Then you could have one action that dispatches multiple other actions in reaction to different results of a HTTP request. You can also access getters in case your action needs some calculated value which you derive in some getter. And you can also directly tap into the state in case getting access to the getters might not be enough. You should not manipulate the state from inside the action though. Always use a mutation for that. So that's context, and these are actions. And with state, mutations, actions, and getters, we got the core concepts Vuex uses to manage state application-wide, which you can then use conveniently from inside any component.